I absolutely love dinosaurs. Could you imagine if they were roaming around today? They'd be absolutely massive.
A T-Rex would be the size of a double-decker bus.
Could you imagine the size of their feet as well?
Well, don't have to imagine. That is a T-Rex footprint right there.
Their foot is massive.
It reminds me of another animal here at the zoo. Come on. Hello. So right behind me now, you can see Sheila, Darwin and Brucey. And these guys are emus.
Emus can run up to 30 miles an hour, and they have these awesome claws at the ends of their legs. When they lift their feet up, their claws tuck in, and when they put their feet down, their claws spread out again. This is just how theropod dinosaurs like T-Rexes would have walked.
And this has given Tyler an idea.
What we should do is a plaster cast of one of the emu's footprints and compare it to the T-Rex footprint.
Sounds like we need to go to a workshop.
Emus come from Australia and at nearly 2 meters high are the second tallest bird in the world. But how will their feet match up to that of the awesome T-Rex?
So what we're going to do now is build a box out of the wood, fill that with sand and hope that our emus here are going to actually leave their footprint into it. We're going to fill that with plaster and then hopefully we can have a nice plaster cast of an emu footprint and compare it to a T-Rex footprint. Let's build this wooden frame.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Cool. Oh, happy days.
All right, now where do we put it?
Over there. Right, let's get out of the way and hopefully they start coming over.
Come on, guys.
Oh, fingers crossed.
They're so unsure of it. Come on, Brucey. No. So far, it's been a bit of an epic fail. So we'll get out of the enclosure and see if it'll work.
Oh, go on, Darwin.
Put your foot down. No.
Well, it doesn't look like it's happening. Come on, let's leave them to it and come back and see later. So we've had to leave it for a few hours, but we've just had a call from James telling us that he reckons there's a print in there. And there is.
You can clearly see we've got an amazing footprint of one of our emus here.
Come on, let's get it out quickly before they make another. I'll ruin it. All right, let's get the plaster cast going. That's good.
Once the plaster has set and the footprint is excavated and painted, it's ready.
So the emu foot here, as you can clearly see, we've got the claws here, we've got the 3 toes, and we've got the ball of the foot just here. And it is pretty big. I mean, compared to my hand.
Right, Cam, let's take it over there and compare it to the T-Rex foot.
Wow! Look at the similarities between their 3 big clawed toes. What's amazing though, it absolutely dwarfs this little foot.
Imagine this attached to an 8-ton predator. You wouldn't want to be chased by one of them.
You wouldn't. However, if we were being chased by one, I'd probably trip you, it would eat you, and I'd run off.
Thanks, Cam.
You're welcome.